You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back to the SDC International Shipping Podcast, where we share stories, tips, and insights to help make your overseas relocation smooth, safe, and successful. Today's episode is special. It's not just about shipping terms or checklists. It's about people. And it's a perfect example of what happens when you partner with the right international moving company. Let me tell you about the Garcia family, a family of 5 from Houston, Texas, who dreamed of starting a new life in Spain. David, the father, had just accepted a teaching position at an international school. His wife, Anna, was excited to be closer to her aging parents. Their kids were thrilled about beaches and soccer. But turning that dream into a reality, that's when the anxiety kicked in. They weren't just moving across town. They had to move a 4-bedroom home, a motorcycle, heirloom furniture, and a grandfather clock that had been in Anna's family for generations. On top of that, David was overwhelmed with Spanish visa paperwork, and Anna was trying to coordinate school enrollment and housing in Valencia. That's when they called SDC International Shipping. From the very first phone call, we got to work. We handled door-to-door shipping, full packing services. Our team wrapped everything from artwork to antique china, motorcycle crating inside the same shipping container as our household goods, custom clearance assistance in both the US and Spain, insurance coverage for their high-value items, including the grandfather clock. One big concern, timing. David needed to arrive in Spain 3 weeks before his family in order to begin orientation. So we arranged climate-controlled storage in Spain and scheduled final delivery after Anna and the kids arrived. When Anna opened the front door of their new home for the first time, there were their belongings, unboxed, intact, and arranged with care. We asked her what that felt like. She said, "It felt real, like home, and I didn't lift a finger. SDC took care of everything." That's why we do what we do. Behind every container is a family, a new chapter, a leap of faith. We're honored to be part of your story. If you're planning your move, whether it's Spain, Australia, France, or anywhere in between, we want to help. Reach out, sdcinternationalshipping.com, or call 877-339-0267 for a personalized quote and expert guidance. Let's move your world together.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.